Hello all. As you all know by now, I am Aradhina. I do tarot and angel card reading and guidance. I also am a numerologist, graphologist and access power healer. I specialize in family constellations too. Let's start with the reading. Today, we shall seek answers and guidance for colleagues. Okay, so as I shuffle my cards, let's find out how this entire month would be for colleagues. So angels and spirit guides, please can I have some guidance as to how this entire month would be? Okay. Maybe too many scattered energies, a lot of interesting colleagues could be having, so let's find out. Okay. Perfect. So let's find out from the angels. Angels have already started giving us the messages. Okay, see, I told you. All such beautiful cards. Okay, so without wasting much time, I will just have the angel cards placed on one side and let's begin with your read. So let's find out what the tarots have in store for you. In colleagues, one of the colleague could be very much aware as to what the situation is going around the entire space. So that person needs to be very careful because you will be aware about what is happening. One of the colleague or possibilities even both, it depends. Okay, because it's a collective read, there could be issues where you might not be convinced, like how you have two things getting into your head and fighting on it, whether it is good or bad, right or wrong, that kind of a feeling. So at such points, darling, be clear. Okay, in case if you aren't clear, talk it out, because I always say communication is the best way where you can get every misunderstanding clear. So please talk it out. One of the person could be a creator, like there could be an aura one of you could be carrying, and who knows everything, but you could be suffering with some stomach issues because of the pride or because of a lot of emotions or turmoils getting inside your stomach. So don't keep it anything, because anything over here gets into the system and gets into your stomach. So you could be facing some digestive issues, one of the colleague. So please take care of what intake you guys are having, or try avoiding acidic food, considering what the climate is also. That also, and too much of resentment, too much of anger, or guilt, or anything, if you're holding on to such emotions, please release it. Okay, that will help. Maybe one of you could be going through a lot of suppressions, like it's like getting squeezed between the walls, and then too many things in the head, and then you feel you're chained from below and you don't know what to do. At such points, please shrug it off. Okay, just loosen it up. It's okay, like take a day off. It's completely fine. Just for 5 minutes, I think you can spare 5 minutes. Cut off, do what you like. Go for a walk, listen to some good music. Music is one of the best healing. Nature is one of the best healer. You can try doing that. Start working out, in case if you have been missing out on the yogasans and such things. And sing if you love to sing, even if it's a bathroom singing, but who cares, just let yourself loose. Okay, that is what it's saying. Avoid stress. If there are any stressful events, learn to cope it up. Don't be too sad, darlings. You can be happy. Listen to some good music. Watch some comedy series, any web series, or some old films, or play with kids. That's the best way you can loosen up yourself. Have a hearty laugh. I'm so sorry. Have a hearty laugh, because that helps. Call up somebody, and one of your old friends. If you can meet up, please meet up. So have lighter moments. There could be times where you might have, or one of the colleagues, or maybe the colleagues in general, I'm saying, you could face about, somebody could be gossiping about you, or you could become a part of the gossip. But don't bother, cut it off. Okay, you don't have to. Just focus on yourself and listen to your conscious, listen to your inner self. That will give you the correct guidance. You don't have to. Some males could go through control issues, like, I want this, be too rigid around. Please, darlings, don't do that. Okay, you will just spoil the relation between yourself and with everyone. So just release it. You don't have to. Maybe because of that there could be a conflict in your head, the good and the bad, as I said in the earlier thing. And please avoid postponing. Okay, anything, any mail, any meetup, any calls, any text messages, anything related to work, if any, please avoid postponing, because you could lose out on a good opportunity, and we don't want you to, right? Because you have success coming in. The universe is actually showering abundance, and people, you guys could even travel to different places. I completely understand, considering what the entire situation is, but you never know, because universe is giving abundance, a lot of good opportunities. Or maybe there could be people who could come down to you, meet, talk, get work, something, success, basic success is happening. And a few of you could be waiting for a break point, like, so your energies could get scattered everywhere, and it's not the right thing. So I would suggest calm down, and if the energies that are going here everywhere, it should go in the right direction, especially when it comes on your work mode. So you need to stay calm. Okay, you will be aware that, okay, fine, I don't have work now, what do I do? You will get work. If you think you're hunting for a lot of places but you are not getting, don't worry, universe is taking care, and you will get whatever you desire. So stay focused, stay happy, and fingers crossed you will receive what you want. And understand the utmost thing, this could be one of your past life karmic connection that you could be going through also. So depending, because it's an entire month read and it's a collective read, a few could be in, you could encounter with a few of the ones who could be dealing with your past life. It's not a bad card. I always say past life cards are never bad. It's a karmic lesson. So understand, something you must have done in one of your past life. We have so many past lives. So in one of the past life you could have done something, and now in this life probably you could be giving in the balance, equaling the balance. So you don't have to worry. Everything is happening for a reason and for a better cause, because universe is taking care of it. So yeah, the tarots are doing good. Now let's see what the angels have in store for you. They are also saying, darlings, please spend time with kids. Maybe you love kids. You could be loving kids. Or maybe it could also indicate that something involved with the kids, like, being around, helping the needy, that could be a part of it. Or nurturing the inner child. Everyone has an inner child, so enjoy that bit. If anybody, at a given point, if you need guidance, please ask for help. Consult an expert. There is no harm. You know who your experts could be in the particular field, or even you have your friends, family, some senior most person whom you look up to, you can take for guidance. Please step out in the nature. I always say nature is the best healer, because it's high time you need to take the fresh air in, or let fresh air move around in your space. So keep the windows open, or keep the working space open, or the place where you are currently, just let fresh air basically move in. Cleanse and detoxify. Simple. Have a lot of fresh juices. See that your aura is cleansed, because we end up picking up a lot of bad vibes, so the aura gets affected. So this is something that I think I should share a tip, or you can just take it, because something this is, I believe, okay, it's up to you how you believe. There are times when our aura gets affected. It is not that we are depressed, It's a very heavy word, or we are sad, but it is somebody else's energies that our aura catches, because our aura is weak. So when you are strong, when your immunity is strong, when your aura is strong, no matter whatever anybody says, it wouldn't hit you. But the minute you are weak, it just hits you, and you end up getting into that zone. It is not you, it is somebody else's thing that has hit you. So the best way to cleanse your aura is salt water bath, bucket of water, little salt, take a shower, done. Cleanses the aura. The floor also, you can sweep that, have a camphor, burn it entire, burn sage in the entire room, cleanses. Have a lot of good, have a lot of water. Cut down on caffeine intake, sugary intake, nicotine, alcohol. I know you can't cut it off, but you can just minimize. That will help you. Always see love. Love is the best healer. It can heal anything and everything on this beautiful earth. So heal people. If there is any misunderstanding between the colleagues, understand it. Try to understand from the other's point of view. From the opposite point of view, you will understand what the reason was, or as a third person, that can also help you. You need to be honest with yourself. So if there are any control issues, please let go. Okay, learn to see beyond illusions. People tend to live under misunderstandings and illusions and faking a lot of things and all. Please face the reality, have a clarity, and bang on, everything gets sorted. A few could be a water sport kind of a lover, like who loves to be near ocean, who loves to swim, or who loves to enjoy diving, or any water sport. If you have, please go for it. Please nurture that, because that will help you. Again, salt water comes into the picture, and you are on the correct path. Guys, don't worry. Even if it's a slow, steady progress, if it is, don't worry. You guys are on the correct path. Universe is definitely showering abundance. If at any given point, any one of you, or because it's a collective read, if there is any creative thing hidden in you, please nurture it. It is the best period, because this is the perfect time. So you can, if there is any project you guys are submitting and all, see to it how creatively you can project. You can give a presentation or talk in a very creative way, something dealing with creativity, because angels are supporting you. It's like, one of the angels is actually blessing you, and the other one is actually taking you up. So something related to creative is very strong in the entire thing. It could be anything, okay? Singing, dancing, gardening, anything. You know what you are good with. So if there is a hidden talent, please nurture it. And yes, this is the perfect timing, so don't hesitate. Maybe things didn't happen, or you guys must have tried your level best to do something, and things never clicked back then, but this is the perfect time. So angels are actually showering you, and the universe is actually giving loads and loads of abundance and success coming your way. So how better can it get than this? Okay, so now I'll show you a couple of your cards, the tarot cards, because there are too many cards, but the ones that will give you a gist as to what the entire thing is, I will show you. So, okay, these are your tarot cards, and I will show you now. These are your angel cards. Hope this resonates well with most of you. Do comment or DM me on my FB or Instagram pages to connect for further assistance. May the universe always shower abundance on you, and the angels always have your back. Keep watching, keep loving.